Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're taking you on an exciting journey to the vibrant country of Malaysia. From its stunning landscapes to rich cultural heritage, Malaysia is a true gem in Southeast Asia. So, let's get started on this amazing adventure. Located in the heart of Southeast Asia, Malaysia is a diverse and captivating country that offers a myriad of experiences for travelers. Boasting a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and a fusion of Asian cuisines, Malaysia has something to offer for every type of visitor. So, let's embark on a virtual journey to explore the enchanting charms of Malaysia. One of Malaysia's greatest assets is its multicultural society. With influences from Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous cultures, the country is a melting pot of traditions and customs. Visitors can immerse themselves in vibrant festivals, explore ancient temples, and experience cultural practice. The harmonious coexistence of various ethnic groups adds a unique charm to Malaysia's cultural fabric. Nature lovers will be captivated by Malaysia's natural beauty. From the pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters of Langkawi Island to the lush rainforests of Taman Negara, Malaysia offers a plethora of outdoor adventures. Visit the iconic Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur for breathtaking cityscape views, or explore the stunning tea plantations of the Cameron Highlands. Don't miss the chance to witness the mesmerizing fireflies in Kuala Seluncur or encounter wildlife in the iconic Borneo rainforest. Malaysia is a food lover's paradise. The country's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of flavors inspired by various cultures. Indulge in the famous nasi lemak, a fragrant coconut rice dish served with sambal, fried chicken, and peanuts. Now, we're hopping over to Penang, which is a food lover's paradise. Here, you can tantalize your taste buds with a variety of delicious cuisines. Explores the vibrant street art scene in Georgetown, capturing stunning murals and explaining their cultural significance. Next on our itinerary is the untouched beauty of Malaysian Borneo, renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and wildlife. Langkawi, a tropical paradise nestled in the Andaman Sea, Langkawi is a hidden gem that invites travelers to discover its natural beauty and captivating charm. This tropical paradise, located in Malaysia, is famous for its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and spectacular sunsets. Langkawi offers a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural exploration for visitors from all walks of life. Let's start with the beaches, the main attraction of this enchanting island. Langkawi boasts a collection of pristine beaches, each with its own unique characteristics. Pantai Chanang, the most popular beach, offers a vibrant atmosphere with an array of restaurants, shops, and water activities. For those seeking tranquility, Tanjung Ru Beach is a serene haven lined with casuarina trees and breathtaking views of the Andaman Sea. Beyond the beaches, Langkawi's natural wonders are a sight to behold. One such wonder is the Langkawi Sky Bridge, a suspended pedestrian bridge that offers awe-inspiring panoramic views of the surrounding rainforest and turquoise waters. The island is also home to Kilimjaya Forest Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases mangrove forests, limestone cliffs, and hidden caves. Exploring these natural marvels by boat or kayak is a must-do experience. For adventure enthusiasts, Langkawi offers a plethora of thrilling activities. From jet skiing and parasailing to zip lining through the rainforest, there is no shortage of adrenaline-pumping adventures to enjoy. The island is also a popular scuba diving destination, with colorful coral reefs. Immerse yourself in the local culture and indulge in the delectable cuisine of Langkawi. The island's food scene is a delightful mix of Malay, Chinese, and Indian flavors. Sample mouth-watering street food at night markets, taste freshly caught seafood in beachfront restaurants, and don't forget to try the famous local dish, nasi lemak. Beyond its natural beauty and adventure, Langkawi also offers an opportunity to unwind and rejuvenate. The island is home to luxurious resorts and spas, where you can indulge in traditional Malay massages and therapeutic treatments amidst idyllic surroundings. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a cultural escape, Langkawi has it all. And that wraps up our incredible journey through Malaysia. From vibrant cities to untouched nature, Malaysia truly has something for every traveler. It's time you added this beautiful country to your bucket list.